Very good afternoon, sir. And first of all, accept my hearty congratulations on getting the highest departmental award of Meghdut. Please tell me what's your name and designation, sir.
So, thank you very much. In fact, I am B.S. Chandrasekhar. I am Senior Superintendent of Post Offices, Bangalore East Division, and I am presently in Karnataka Postal Circle. Today I am very happy that this award has been awarded and given to us.
Today we were told that there are 8 categories of awards. While giving those awards, they have made all the employees into 8 categories. For what category did you get this award, sir?
I have got this award for the category number 6. This category is for the Group A and Group B officers of the department for their contribution in various fields.
Okay. After getting the award, how are you feeling now, sir, about getting this, the highest award of the department?
I am really thankful to the department. I started my journey with a 1 rupee postal cover enclosing my marks card. So with that, my journey started. I am really very grateful to the department because during this long journey, I have been given so many opportunities and chances. Without the opportunity and chances, or having given the opportunity and chances, if I do not make any use of it, I think we are not here. So I am really feeling great and feeling happy that I have received this award, and this award is on behalf of the entire postal fraternity.
So what is the message you would like to give to the other employees of the department after getting this award? Any messages for the others, those who are working with you?
In fact, this award should become a motivation to entire postal fraternity, because this, if you see, the award has been given in various categories. The category covers right from the mail carrier or at the very lowest cadre of the department to the highest level. So every individual in the department has been given an opportunity to excel. In fact, the department itself, if we go back to the entire 150 years, has accommodated most of the most brilliant faces of the entire citizens who have been qualified for this. If you take this into account, in fact, every employee is really eligible to take this award. Only thing is that the chances and opportunity which has been given during their course of journey, during their course of work, has to be made use of. In this area, if I say, every employee has the opportunity, every employee has the chances, and if they really make use of their opportunity and chances, and also they take the advice of their entire postal fraternity, be it be the juniors, be it be the senior officers, be it be everyone, I think everyone are eligible to get this award. So this award should become a motivation to every employee of the department. Secondly, I am a God-fearing man. We should be thankful to the God as such. Without His blessings, without His grace, nothing will happen. So, put together both the God's grace and also your efforts, I think every employee is eligible to get this Meghdut award, and I hope everyone, though they do not get the award or they get the award, they will work for the betterment and they will work for the department as such.
Thank you for that motivational message given to the other employees. Once again, I congratulate your family for supporting you wholeheartedly to get this, to reach this, and I once again congratulate you for getting this award, sir. Thank you.
So thank you very much. Thank you.